where you just do the same thing every day, you know. So every day has so much variety and so much different topics, different activities, and the creativity and handling 100 kids and maintaining the time and discipline, though you are not with the kids present, you know. So, and the kids were doing mostly on their own. Like I see that not every time parents were there with them, they are on their own and they were following everything disciplined, though remote. It suggests that how much interesting and how much, you know, engaging all those activities were. Otherwise, kids this age cannot sit still for 5 minutes, and to engage them for 2 hours, that too remote without any adult supervision, it itself shows that how commanding, like how beautifully it is done. So all glories to all the Matajis who were involved in this. And I could not have imagined anything like this, even if we organize something in person, you know. So this
Yeah.
online has been so successful that I'm looking forward to more this kind of activities, so that we are not limited by any physical infrastructure and coordination and things like that, you know. These kind of things can be done right from your home and is more effective. So that way I'm finding it very helpful. Like Khushi personally was very interested in all the activities. Every day she is up to it, excited, and she learned so many things. And so thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Mhm.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Prabhuji. I saw Kushi always on dot and on video and, you know, trying to do
Mataji, is
everything.
everything fine, Mataji? Is recording, call is recording?
Yeah, yes, Mataji. Okay, so thank you so much. Prabhuji, would you like to share anything that, you know, how we can improve? Is there any activities? Because we are just taking this inputs from various devotees. All
Right.
of your inputs will help us.
Yeah, Mataji, at this time, as I said, like I cannot think of, like everything was done so perfectly. So like I don't see that there is anything which could have been done any better. But if I come across anything, then I will definitely let you know. But if I said that everything was perfect, and as Srila Prabhupada said that devotees, those who are pure devotees and advanced devotees, whatever they do, whatever they perform, everything is perfect. So that itself shows that how devoted everybody involved in this camp were, because whatever came out was perfect. So
Thank you,
thank you so
Prabhuji. Yeah, I mean, this was totally everybody's idea and cooperation.
much. Right.
And, you know, their willingness to dedicate their time. So, doing this every single day, I mean, I feel that we will go crazy without this camp.
Yeah.
I was even proposing that we could do one more month in July.
Right.
Yeah, but we are trying to see, you know, something we can do in July. We will try to see, Prabhuji. Thank you so
Yeah.
much for that.
Yeah, because Khushi was already asking every day, what is next month? What's going to happen? So I said that there would still be some classes, so don't worry.
Yes, Prabhuji. We'll do something. We are planning on it.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Maharaj. And
Thank you
in
so
future, like anything I can do, I can engage in any kind of service, though I'm not qualified, but just
No.
let me know. I would be whatever menial service I can do for anybody or anything, then just let me know.
Prabhuji, you are such a dedicated, elevated devotee. We are so happy.
No.
I've already written down your name. Only thing, if the time suits you, we will definitely call you for, you know, engaging.
Sure. Sure, Maharaj.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji.
Thank you. Thank you, Maharaj.
Yeah, so anybody else? Jagdish, there is Jagdish, Nitya, Ranjita, and I see Harini and another Kushi. So, any parents are there to share? Like the next question I wanted to ask was, did you feel involved with the kids for certain activities, because we wanted the parents also to be there to give them family time? And was it okay? Was it okay for you to be with the kids, and how do you feel about the other activities?
I cannot co-host so I can be learned.
You can
Hare
unmute and talk.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Vasavi Mataji.
Yeah, it's very thank you to all Mataji summer camp. It's very wonderful. And what your question is activities. Yeah, every time it's doing with kids activities is very nice, Mataji, to family environment and everything. And whatever she will do that activity, she used to call, Mummy, what is that Craft time, craft time. The stories she will listen. Before Harini won't listen that much, Mataji. So I tried so many classes for your classes also. But nowadays, after the summer camp, Vrindavan Yatra, the stories. Now, today she is asking and literally she is crying. I want to go to Vrindavan to see their gods and all the temples, deities and all. So it's very good thought, Mataji, to do the summer camp. In this time, especially Corona time, and kids are not thinking everything. They're thinking about only that Krishna consciousness because of this.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mataji. You yourself are an amazing cook and amazing art teacher. I was so amazed to see the variety of the art in your house. So definitely next camp, we will try to see if you can involve in some way possible. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you. So any other parents are there? Nitya, Jagdish, Abhairam, Ranjita?
Mataji.
Hare Krishna, yeah.
Mataji, we are from Delaware. I have both my kids joining the camp the pretty much entire month.
Wow.
So it was really very beautifully organized by you all, and you put so much work and effort into it. And it's not just me, it's so many other people from our congregation also ended up joining. And everybody liked the camp. And I think there is nothing that we can at this point, like the Prabhuji was saying, to say that improvising, because it was such a perfect camp for these kids to engage, in Krishna conscious activities and doing small things that starting from just putting the thread into the needle, which we as a mother, I haven't thought about teaching my kid, but those are the basics that we should be teaching our kids. And they did wonderful with all the activities, with just simple things that are available at home, not like, going too much out of the way. Those were really, really very helpful. And the only thing I would think of is maybe if the breakout rooms are little small, and which again I understand, because there are not many Matajis doing. There are only a couple of you who were trying to do. I've been seeing, trying to coordinate. But if the breakout rooms can be constricted to little smaller groups, then engaging these kids will be, it can be much more personal, and that way they can keep their videos on and keep interacting. That has been one of the challenge, because these are little kids, their attention span is not much, and it's too much to ask of them to sit in front. And not just this, they have other classes going on, other things that they're doing online as well. So that would be only one suggestion, if I can think of anything, is just to have just smaller groups. Like today, I think this breakout room in which I am, this is kind of like you were able to call out couple of names couple times.
Right,
so,
right.
It kind of gives an opportunity to open up. That's much what it is. But otherwise, everything was so perfect. Like, learning from all these elevated Vaishnavas, these little kids are so blessed. And I hope in the future also you can do something more. I'm not sure how the school situations and all are, but this definitely will help the kids to keep going and keep their motivation up, Mataji. And professionally, I am a dietitian, so if there is any service that I can engage myself in, please let me know, and I will be more than help, Mataji.
Yeah, we would definitely, thank you so much, Mataji. I will keep and make a note of it. And next time when we want some help about how to, take care of the diet in terms of, healthy and also not too fatty, we will think about your name, Mataji.
My name is Divya Radha Devi Dasi.
Wow, very nice name.
Yeah. Thank you,
so you're
Mataji.
from Delaware?
Yes, Mataji, I'm from Delaware.
Okay. Thank you so much. That was a very valid suggestion. Yeah, we would try to do that the next camp. We would try to do that, Mataji. Yeah.
Sure, Mataji. Thank you so much. But
thank you. And
it
your
has
kids,
been amazing.
who are the two kids who attended?
This is Nitya. Dhruva just ran out. Nitya is 10-year-old and Dhruva is 6. So they have
Okay.
both been trying to do the camp, Mataji.
Thank
The
you.
craft
Thank you.
and stuff. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Thank you for your time. Hare Krishna.
Sure. Hare Krishna.
Yeah. We have another Kushi. Abhairam, Kushi. Yeah, Kushi, is your parents there? Can you unmute yourself?
They're busy.
Oh, they're busy. Okay. No problem. Keshvi. I see Keshvi, Ranjita, Abhairam. Yeah, Nitya's mom just spoke. And Kushi's dad also spoke. And
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dhanush Pranam. This is Jagdish mom.
oh, Jagdish mom.
Thank you
Okay.
so much for all Mataji. It was so nice. And kids are enjoying a lot. We miss you, Mataji.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'm not able. Yeah. You're there. Yeah. That's so nice. Yeah, your name, Mataji?
Meena Mataji. Meena.
Meena. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Maryland, Mataji.
Maryland. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mataji, for all hard working. It was so really nice. It was so nice.
Yeah, see, it's our pleasure that, if kids haven't joined, then we wouldn't be able to do the service. So we have to thank you for bringing your kids, reminding them to join every day on time. Yeah, would you like to share any points of improvement, Mataji?
It's all our fun, Mataji. It was so nice.
Okay.
Thank you so much for all, Mataji. Dhanush Pranam.
Thank you so much for your time, for engaging, giving our kids, getting your kids to attend this regularly. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, Keshvi, real. Are your parents there?
No, they're busy.
Okay, so we are done with
Yeah.
Kushi.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yoshita wants to tell something, Mataji.
Yeah.
So Mataji, in your evening lesson, I love that you give everyone and give the answers, and how nicely you explain everything.
Oh,
Stored points.
so sweet of you, Yoshita. When what we are explaining, you would be able to explain double times, triple times more than that. We see that potency in you. So very happy to have you in the camp.
Yeah, they both are sad, Mataji. Summer camp is done.
I know, even I am sad, Mataji. We have to do something to get the kids. We may not have a very regular schedule, but something extra we should be having. Getting the Matajis. We'll work on it, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. One more question is that, yeah, let me check if I finished. Yeah. Okay, what about the reading log? Did any of the kids do the reading log? And did you logged in how many times you read? Yeah, Harini?
Harini and Garima, they're reading on the Call Mataji Krishna books, and Harini is some weeks she put on that log, the Krishna book.
Oh,
And Garima and Harini, they both are reading maybe weekly, twice, thrice, or whatever.
Wonderful.
I think
Mataji,
to complete Mataji, third volume.
Oh, very nice. Okay, Kushi, you got something to say?
well, I didn't really attend these classes before, but I read a lot. Like I read about 5 to 10 books.
Super, Kushi. How old are you?
9.
9? That's so nice. Yeah, wonderful. You are very inspiring. Thank you, Kushi. Okay, is there anyone in this group who doesn't have a Bhagavad Gita? Everyone has a Bhagavad Gita at home? If you have Bhagavad Gita, just raise your hand. Okay, Keshvi, Jagdish, and Abhairam. Okay, do you have Bhagavad Gita at home, Keshvi? Can you unmute yourself?
I have Bhagavad Gita.
Okay, Abhiram and Jagdish also has. Okay.
Have
So
two.
do you all have chanting beats?
Yes, Mataji, I have chanting beats.
Very good. Everybody's having chanting beats? Okay,
Yes.
so are you all chanting? Is there anyone who's chanting regularly, 1 round or 2 rounds?
I do.
How many rounds, Keshvi?
One or two rounds. I don't
Good job.
remember. 1 or 2
Good.
rounds.
Good job. Kushi? How many rounds?
8, 9.
8 rounds. Amazing. That's so
You know,
inspiring.
all I do, sometimes I do it all at a time. Sometimes I do it 4, and sometimes I do 2, 2, 2, like that.
That's wonderful. However you do, it doesn't matter. You're doing every day, that matters. Thank you so much. Harini?
Good job.
Lalitangi Mataji,
Yes, Mataji?
how much more time you want, Mataji?
I am on the last question, Mataji.
Okay. Then 1 minute, I'll go check and then close, Mataji. Is that okay?
Yeah. Give me like 3 more minutes. Yeah.
Okay, 3 more minutes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so Harini and Garima, can you all unmute and say how many rounds you're chanting? Nitya also?
1 round.
1 round, good Garima. Harini?
2.
Wonderful, Harini.
2, Mataji. 2.
2,
Like what?
Nitya and Dhruv, wonderful. Abhiram? Jagdish? Okay, I think another Kushi left. Okay, so the last question I have is, do you all have Bhagavatam sets at home? How many of you have Bhagavatam?
I do. I read Bhagavatam with the Ruda Mataji. I do.
Good
We have
job.
a whole box.
Good job. So I see Kushi, Harini, Garima, Nitya. Keshvi, do you have Bhagavatam? Yes? Okay, Abhiram.
Yes, Mataji. Thank you.
Okay, Jagdish, do you have Bhagavatam at your home?
Yes.
Do you have?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, good job. See, all of you kids, we are very happy. You know what? You can just pick up some book from Bhagavatam. Your moms would have kept it in a book table or in a rack. So just feel free, go and just take one book and you can see through all the paintings and read from it, what is there underneath it, or you can have a regular reading session. So first day you take first canto and read half of it. Maybe the purports may be too much for you, but you can go through the pictures, the paintings, and what is written down there, or some chapters you can just go through the translations.
We have some kids book that I started reading them from yesterday.
Good job, Kushi. Good job. Okay, so very nice to have you all. We have noted down your points and we would like to keep in touch with you. There is going to be regular classes from next week onwards. I think 3 days a week we may have a regular classes. I didn't exactly check with them what is the schedule. So we will come back to you and we will be more teachers and we will try to learn different things, and it will be almost like a summer camp only, but little less time. But every day we will be meeting at least 3 days.
We used to do it more like we do it every weekday and days.
Yes. Okay. Is there anything else? Anybody, kids or parents? Do you have any points that I missed asking you? Anything you
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you for all the hard work you did for us.
Oh, so sweet of you. Thank you. It was not a hard work. It was a blissful work with all of you, seeing your wonderful faces and trying to communicate with you. We learned a lot. So yeah, we will continue to be together in our journey of going towards Krishna. Yeah, Nitya, you have something to say?
Yes, Mataji, about the reading log, if there were only couple options to choose, like Prabhupada books or things like that, if you can make it like a free text, because Nitya reads different kinds of books. Like she was reading Chasing Rhinos, but I couldn't put that name in there. So if that can be editable and we can write down the name, then that will be
good, Mataji. Yeah, Mataji, you're so creative and so nice. You've given so many points for improvement. Definitely, yeah, I will let them know this, Mataji.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, I think we can leave the room and join. Anything else anybody has to say?
Mataji, this is Harini.
Yes, Harini.
Mataji, I like your class. I like your class because like
About Tilak.
about like Tilak and wake up and do brush when you wake up. And then
Very, very nice, Harini. Thank you so much that you remember it. Thank you so much. So I think we are.
The breakout room is gonna close in 9 seconds.
Yes. So we will leave
7,
the breakout
6,
room.